quick one here if you're getting ready to be sweating pipe. Just kind of save your wrists and your forearms a little bit. Cut this, make like a little perforated line, right? They're a little tough to get through, just simply cutting. You get your channel locks, you just kind of give it some bendy action, boop, 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 boop. Right? Then you throw it on your drill. Little boop, boop with the whoop, boop. So, for the outsides, I always get these inside pipe cutters, that little saw that you run in there. You're able to get this screw through. Chuck that on your impact, right? And then you're sanding up all the outsides. Woo! Like a beast.